Hello friends! Today we're making crispy, golden PIROSHKI. Soft dough on the inside, juicy filling on the inside. First, prepare the dough. Flour, milk, egg, yeast, and a little salt. Mix it well and let it rest. Now for the filling. Seasoned meat with onions, simple but so delicious. Shape the dough, add the filling, and seal it carefully. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Look at that color! So crunchy outside, so soft inside. You have to try this recipe. Don't forget to like and follow for more.